all the way from the state of California. My name is Henry Onowale. Thank you for joining another series of our book reading. Yesterday, we started the reading of a new book that is titled AIGP, which is Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional Study Guide. There is an association that is called AIGP. AIGP. That's the acronym for the association, which is Association of International Privacy Professionals. This association, they have different certification that they put together to certify professionals to become privacy experts, and one that was recently added to their list of certification is Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional, AIGP, Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional. Then that is one of the new certification that is being awarded, or among the list of certification that people can become satisfied in. The body is Association of International Privacy Professional, AIPP, and the certification is Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional. Then there is a study guide, unofficial study guide, that was launched by someone who is a member of the association. I guess it's a fellow member, and his name is, or her name rather, Nicole Joy, Elmgart? Nicole Joy Elmgart. Yep, that's the author of the book. It's an unofficial study guide, but I went through it, and this author actually capture a lot of interesting parts around artificial intelligence in relation from an ethical approach. And the author also captured the area of responsible AI governance, as well as AI ethics, as well as AI regulation. Then that was one of the reasons why I decided to add this book in our bucket list for books to be completed for the year 2025. Then yesterday, we started the reading of this new book, and I had two guests. One was Barney and the other person was Will, just trying to spice things up, so that I won't be the only one engaging in these reading activities, and I can have other people that can host together with me. And I'm so happy I had, Barney and Will come over yesterday, and they started with the first page of this book. For those that are just joining for the first time, I would like to provide a little context to what we're doing. Then one of the things that I launched the beginning of this year is an AI book reading challenge. Then the demand of this challenge is for you to complete 4 AI books by the end of the year 2025. And the goal is for you to commit 30 minutes of your time on a daily basis so as to complete the reading of those books. Then we started, I guess, maybe the first week of January. And the amazing thing is we've completed the reading of 2 books. The first book we completed is titled AI Governance, a Primer, and the author is Edward Aiden. And the second book we completed is titled AI Governance, Applying AI Policy and Ethics Through Principle and Assessment. And the author of the book is Dr. Daryl J. Carlson. You see, within the space of a month, we're able to complete 2 books. Is that not an amazing, is that not an amazing thing, to achieve? I guess that is an amazing milestone to me. And you guys did a great job joining every day 30 minutes. And I said this is going to be a daily exercise. And just to add to it, as a result of this 30-minute book reading, we are working on launching an AI book reading club. I'm going to put the link in my bio. We're working on it. Hopefully, in the coming week, we should be up with everything so that you can have access to previous book reading. They are trying to create a YouTube channel where you can go there and, if you miss any of the book reading days, you can go there and, and catch up. Then I guess it's an amazing thing. And we're also working on a link where people can join the AI book reading club. I guess that is an amazing thing. Okay. Yesterday, we started with page 1. And today, we're going to continue from page 2. Then for those that are just joining, please do share this live with friends, family members, colleagues at work. Share it on all your active social media platforms so that others can be a part of it. I think one thing that this exercise does for us as a person is it helps to broaden our knowledge about artificial intelligence and also equip us with, the ethical practices, or help us to develop an ethical mindset of approaching artificial intelligence technology. I'm going to repeat that again. It helps us to develop an ethical mindset of embracing artificial intelligence technology, or it helps us to develop an ethical mindset in positioning ourselves for the adoption of AI technology. And it also helps us to develop an ethical mindset from an organizational perspective in terms of driving AI implementation. Then it's an amazing activity. I'm so excited about it. And, we're launching an AI book reading club. We're already working on it. We're going to share the link. Maybe we are going to have a Discord channel. We are going to probably have some other channels too where people can participate in it. Okay, let us kick off. If you are joining, my name is Henry Onowale. I'm an AI expert and AI strategist, an a responsible AI expert, and also an AI governance expert. Okay, then if you have any question, do not hesitate to express your thoughts in the comment section, or you send me a direct message. As I said, for individuals who are seeking a career or trying to pursue a career in artificial intelligence, I can be your guide for that. And for organizations who are looking to implement AI technology within the organization, maybe from an implementation standpoint, or from an assessment standpoint, or from a strategy perspective, I provide all of those services. You can also reach out to me. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's continue from page 9. Okay, the lightning is a bit bad. Okay, I guess I need to step forward a little bit. Okay, example. Okay, yesterday, let me just do a quick recap. Yesterday, our reading talked about the definition of artificial intelligence, the relationship between AI and machine learning, where it was said that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and it was also read that artificial intelligence is the act of making computing system to be able to reason. You understand? To be able to reason, to be able to put computer system into a reasoning mode. And another thing we'll also talk about was the different aspects of artificial intelligence, where we talk about the supervised learning, the unsupervised learning, and the semi-supervised learning. And another aspect that we also talked about was that it is also good that we categorize artificial intelligence technology from a level of risk in terms of the level of risk severity. In yesterday reading, it was said that some of the artificial intelligence are of high risk, while some are of low risk and some are of medium risk. Then it is important that organizations that are implementing artificial intelligence documents every AI technology that they want to employ, within the organization. Then these are some of the things that were captured in yesterday reading. And after that, some examples were cited in order to corroborate with some of the previous teachings on the relationship between artificial intelligence and machine learning, and also the different types of AI from the supervised learning, unsupervised learning. There were examples that were cited. I guess that was the last part that was covered in yesterday's book reading. Then I guess we're going to continue with those examples right now. Okay, if you are just joining, this is the book we're reading today. It's called the AIGP Unofficial Guide by Nicole Joy Elmgart. That is the author of this book. You can get a copy of this book from Amazon. And as I said, it's an official study guide that can help you prepare for a certification called the Artificial Intelligence Governance Professional. Okay, let's kick it off. Example: market segmentation is often achieved through unsupervised learning by grouping customers into clusters based on purchasing behavior without prior labeling. Can also be used by financial institutions to identify outliers for fraud detection. Reinforcement learning. In this subset of machine learning, an algorithm learns to make decisions by performing certain action and assessing the reward or penalties it receives from those actions. It is about taking suitable action to maximize reward in a particular situation. Example: robotics, where a robot learns to perform tasks through trial and error, receiving positive feedback when it completes the task correctly and negative feedback when it does not. Autonomous vehicle would also be an example of reinforcement learning. If the car veers off the road, it is penalized. If it stays in its lane, it is rewarded. Over time, the car learns to optimize its reward. These three learning paradigms form the backbone of machine learning application, enabling machine to enter insights from data and improve their performance over time. Key concepts: AI is where machines are performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI is a branch of computer science concerned with creating technology to do things that normally require human intelligence. Machine learning is one method or technique used in AI. Definition: artificial intelligence, input data, machine learning, reinforcement, semi-supervised, supervised, and unsupervised machine learning Turing tests. Common elements of AI and ML. ML stand for machine learning. Common elements of AI/ML definition under new and emerging law. In exploring the various definitions of AI, certain elements consistently emerge. These core common elements highlight the multifaceted nature of AI and help in understanding its boundaries and possibilities. Technology. At its heart, AI is a product of engineering, manifesting as a machine-based system equipped with complex algorithms capable of processing logic, acquiring knowledge of learning, automation. AI systems exhibit varying degrees of autonomy with the ability to perform tasks without constant human guidance, ranging from simple automated responses to complex, independent problem solving. Page 10. Role of humans. Despite the automated capability of AI, human involvement remains crucial. Humans provide the necessary training, data, and objectives that guide the technology towards desired outputs. The outputs of AI are diverse, reflecting its expansive application. This can include generating content, making predictions, offering recommendations, solving complex problems, or making informed decisions. Test tip. Note the difference between the common elements and the various definitions of AI. Why data input is needed for AI, it is not of these four common elements that may appear on the exam. Each of these common elements play a crucial role in defining what AI is and what it can achieve, highlighting the intricate interplay between human ingenuity and technological advancements. AI as a socio-technical system. AI exists within a socio-technical milieu, illustrating a symbiotic relationship where society and AI continuously influence each other. This interplay highlights the importance of considering both the social and technical aspects of AI system. Understanding AI through a socio-technical lens is crucial as it underscores the need for adaptive, responsible AI development that anticipates social impact, embraces stakeholder input, and commits to ongoing refinement in response to societal changes. AI as a cross-disciplinary collaboration. AI stands at the confluence of multiple disciplines, drawing upon a rich tapestry of knowledge from various fields to enhance its development and integration into society. Key stakeholders that should be involved in the development of AI include 1. Social scientists. Experts like anthropologists and sociologists study the broader societal impact of AI, offering insight into how this technology affects human behavior, culture, and ethics. AI developers and practitioners. These are the professionals who design, build, and maintain AI systems, turning theoretical models into practical applications. Despite the innovative progress in AI, it brings forth a spectrum of challenges that require careful navigation and multidimensional strategies. Some key considerations. AI systems do not operate in isolation, but within integrate and high-changing environment. This complex backdrop can introduce risks and unpredictable outcomes as AI systems interact with various facets of society. Page 11. The dynamism of data means that the information AI systems rely on today may not be the same as tomorrow. Consequently, the AI models may require continuous updates, improvements, or complete overhaul to stay relevant and effective within their respective environment. The OECD framework for the classification of AI systems. Just to provide a little context to what I'm about to read right now. In my early introduction, when I started, I said, yesterday we'll talk about classifying AI technology based on their level of risks. then the level of risks exhibited by AI technology varies. There are some AI technology that are of high risks, while some are of minimal risks. That is, it can be accommodated, while there are some that cannot be accommodated, that you have to put a very strong monitoring system in place to monitor their performance. And based on my own experience and some of the things I've read so far, my suggestion for organizations that are implementing high risk technology or AI technology that are of high risk, they need to incorporate what I call reinforcement from learning human feedback. If you have been following my teaching series, we've been talking about reinforcement learning from human feedback. And what does that process, what does it mean? Reinforcement from human feedback is a technique of fine-tuning an AI technology with human-generated outputs. And the technique itself also involves you to score the performance of the AI technology. Now, in terms of the scoring, we said when the AI technology provide or generate the expected outputs, the performance of the performance or the output of the AI technology should be scored or ranked or should be award a reward, or the AI technology should earn a reward. But whenever the AI technology provide a misinformation, the AI technology should earn a punishment. And we said the reward, when the AI technology earn a reward, you can score it between 7 to 10. And I just want to provide little clarification for those that are hearing this for the first time. One good thing about reinforcement learning from human feedback the acronym is RLHF. The good thing about it is, the good thing about that technique is, it makes the AI technology learn from its experience. What are the experience? The AI technology learn from the reward that is earning or the punishments. Then when the AI technology provide the correct outputs, it earns a reward, and once it earns a reward, it makes the AI technology to become more better in its usage based on what it is designed for. But when the AI technology provides a misinformation, what does that happen? It earns a punishment and is going to learn from there not to repeat that again. But when the AI technology provides a misinformation, it is expected for someone like a woman to update or fine-tune the model with the right outputs so that the AI technology can produce the expected outputs. That is the technique behind reinforcement learning from human feedback, where the AI technology learns from its experience. Are you getting what I'm saying? Then, now we're about to talk about the classification of AI technology based on their level of risk. And as I said, the risk associated with AI technology varies. Okay, let's continue. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, which is OECD. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. Okay, framework meticulously delineates risks associated with AI through a multidimensional lens, aiming to systematically address and mitigate potential adverse impacts on individuals, society, and the environment. OECD has 5 main focal points to classify AI system: people and planet. The dimension identifies the stakeholder potentially impacted by the AI system. Consideration include human rights, environmental implication, and broader societal efforts. A significant focus within the domain is privacy and how AI may affect it. Economic context. In this dimension, the AI system is examined within the context of its economic and societal operation. This includes analyzing the industry-specific application of AI and the potential economic impacts it may have, such as the following factors: sector of the AI system: healthcare, science, finance, education. Business function or model of the AI system. Necessity of the AI system for operation. How is deployed. The scale of the system. Technological maturity. In brackets, we have more mature, may be more effective. C, we're looking at data and input. This covers the specific of the data used in the AI model, including the source, collection method, whether automated or manual, the structure and format of the data, and any expert knowledge that has been encoded into rules for the system use. D, technical model. The dimension delves into the technical aspect of the AI system, such as the architecture of the model, the algorithm, and how the model is implemented and function within a given application. Tasks and output. Here, the focus is on the tasks performed by the AI system, the nature of its output, and the subsequent action that stem from this output. Characteristics to consider are the system tasks, combination of tasks and action, and the evaluation method employed to assess the performance of both tasks and the overall system. Each dimension is crucial for a holistic understanding of AI system, allowing for a detailed classification that accounts for a wide range of factors influencing AI development and deployment, use case and benefit of AI. AI systems are multifaceted and can be employed for a range of tasks that exhibit their advanced capabilities. Below are some of the key functions the AI system are commonly designed to perform. Recognition. AI excel in identifying complex patterns such as human faces or speech. Example: smartphone security system use facial recognition to unlock devices, while voice recognition is the basis for virtual assistants like Google Assistant and Apple Siri. Plagiarism detection in education, recognizing machine defects in auto manufacturing. Event detection. This system can monitor and detect critical events within large streams of data. Example: healthcare wearable detect irregular heart patterns, potentially alerting users to heart-related health issues. Credit card fraud detection, identifying irregular patterns. Forecasting. AI analyze historical data to predict future events or trends. Example: AI power tools provide predictive maintenance for manufacturing equipment, forecasting when a machine is likely to fail and suggesting preemptive maintenance, weather forecasting, business forecasting for sales and revenue. Personalization. By learning individual user preferences, AI can tailor digital experiences. Example, personalized content fields on social platforms like Facebook or Instagram show users posts that are more likely to engage with. Personalized shopping pages. Interaction support. AI assists in enhancing interaction between individuals and digital systems. Example, chatbots on retail websites offer personalized shopping assistance and answer customer inquiries in real time. Goal-driven optimization. AI optimizes process to achieve specific goals efficiently. Example, in digital advertising, AI optimizes ad placement in real time to achieve the highest engagement rate within budget constraints. Used in supply chain management to find fastest route to deliver goods most efficiently. Okay, we're reading the last page. When page 13, recommendation. This system suggests opinions likely to be of interest to the user. Example, Netflix recommendation engine suggests movies and TV shows based on a user viewing history and rated content. Healthcare to make diagnosis based on past diagnosis. By integrating this capability into system, AI greatly improve operational efficiency, decision making, and the personalization of user experiences across various sectors. Differences among types of AI system. AI systems vary greatly in capability and function. This section covers the following KPI. Through review, you should understand the difference between strong, broad, weak, and narrow AI, the basis of machine learning and its training methods, deep learning, generative AI, multimodal models, transformer models, and the major providers. Natural language processing, text as input and output, the difference between robotics and robotic processing automation, RPA. Differences between AI. At a high level, AI system can be divided into two main categories. Artificial narrow AI, which is weak or narrow AI. These systems are designed to perform specific tasks and do not possess general intelligence. They operate under a limited predefined range or set of functions. Artificial narrow intelligence can boost productivity by automating simple tasks, use broadly across all industry. Example, chess application. Broad AI, more advanced in scope than ANI, capable of performing a broader set of tasks, dependent or not just one AI system, but group of AI systems capable of working together and combining their decision-making capabilities, e.g. self-driving cars. Broad AI does not have full human-like capability that is expected of artificial general intelligence. In addition, there are two other categories that are on the horizon. Artificial general intelligence. We have artificial narrow intelligence and we have AGI, artificial general intelligence, which is referred to as strong AI. This system possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. They have a generalized form. Of intelligence and understanding, enabling them to apply knowledge to different contexts. This system remains completely theoretical, as we have not advanced that far in the AI journey and is currently out of reach. Artificial superintelligence. This is an AI system with intellectual powers that surpass those of human, will be across a comprehensive range of categories and fields, capable of outperforming humans, self-aware, including understanding human emotion and experiences, even evoking its own. This thus experiencing reality like human. As with AGI, ASI does not yet exist, which is artificial super intelligence. You know, we have artificial general intelligence, we have artificial narrow intelligence, we have artificial general intelligence, and we have artificial super intelligence. Okay. Understanding machine learning and training methods. Machine learning is a crucial subset of AI where systems learn to make decisions from data. Here is a refresher on the primary machine learning training methods. Supervised learning. The model learns from labeled data, using known data input and output to predict future outputs. Classification method. Predict output in a specific categorical responses, whether an image contains a bounding. Regression models predict a continuing value, that is estimating airline ticket prices. Decision tree models represent decision and their potential consequence in a branching structure. Okay, let me provide a bit context. I know this might sound very technical for those that are listening to me. There are, will I say, three major branches of artificial intelligence. We have the supervised learning, we have the unsupervised learning, and we have the semi-supervised learning. We have other learning methods, don't get me wrong. We have transfer learning, you understand? But the three major ones that are being recognized out there is supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised, because we could have some AI experts, listening to us who may be in disagreement with me. When you go to Google, they might even give you about 7 or 8 different branches of, machine learning. Then we have three major supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised. Now, these branches of machine learning was used to explain how machine learning technology works. Let me put it that way. Then the supervised learning is a kind of technique where you train your model with a structured data. Then a structured data is also a labeled data. An example is, let me look for an example. An example could be, it could be the results of mathematics, or result of students enrolled in a particular course. Let us say student enrolled in a robotic class, right? Then, to be more specific, maybe 2024/2025 section. Can you see this is a well-structured data? Result of students enrolled in a robotic class for 2024/2025 section. That data is a labeled data. It's well structured. Then supervised learning utilize this kind of data for it to be able to operate. While unsupervised learning is a technique that is mostly utilized for unstructured data from social media. Those are unstructured data. It could be in form of text. It could be, you need to structure it. There are unlabeled data as well. Okay, let's continue. I'm just providing a little context so that I don't, I don't sound too technical in what I'm reading out. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Supervised learning. The model learns from labeled data. Then, okay, I think I need to provide another context. Then, under the supervised learning, we have various kind of algorithm. Under the supervised learning, we have the classification algorithm. We have regression. We have decision tree. And I guess we have several, and which other one? We have random forest. Okay? These are actually algorithms that you select when you are training a structured data. Yeah. You can pick from any of these algorithms based on your business use case. Okay, let's continue. Classification model predict output in a specific categorical responses. I'm just taking this again. That is where an image contains a burning. Regression model predicts a containing value, that is estimating airline. Now, regression model can be used for weather forecasting, can be used for forecasting the prices of stocks. Yeah, you can use regression model for all of that. The decision tree model represents decision and their potential consequence in a branching structure. Random forest model build multiple decision trees and merges them together to get a more accurate and stable prediction. Each decision tree is built with a random subset of the training data. Random forests are helpful to use with data sets that are missing values or are very complex. Unsupervised learning. The model works with data without pre-existing label, learning the structure of the data on its own. And one typical example of unsupervised learning is the clustering model. Clustering model is automatically grouping data points that share identical or similar characteristics, that is DNA or biomarkers with similar patterns. Semi-supervised learning. This combines elements of both supervised and unsupervised learning using a small amount of labeled data alongside a larger volume of unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning. This model learns through trial and error, making decisions based on reward received for action. Active learning. This model learns from all the data it is given. An active learning model requests additional data points that will help it learn the best. Deep learning and advanced AI model. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning utilizing neural networks with many layers to process data in complex ways. Specific areas of interest include generative AI systems that can generate raw content or data that is smaller to but distinct from what they have been trained to. Multimodal models. This model process and interpret multiple types of data inputs like images, text simultaneously. An example of my multimodal model could be your ChatGPT, your Gemini, your Anthropic, your DeepSeek. Those are multimodal models. Yep, platforms. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's book reading. Thank you so much for joining. My name remains Henry Onole, your AI expert, your AI strategist, your responsible AI expert, your AI ethics impact assessment assessor. Please share this live with other people. Invite them to follow this page, Henry Onole, so that you can deepen your knowledge about artificial intelligence, and at the same time, so that we can have a wider audience of individuals that are participating in this 30-minute book reading. I think this is something that everyone needs to be a part of, so that we can deepen our knowledge about artificial intelligence and know how to tackle and embrace AI from an ethical perspective, or from an ethical approach, or from an ethical standpoint. I guess this is really, really important. And I'm not here just to talk about, will I say, the technical concept behind artificial intelligence, but I'm here to do more of, sensitization on people understanding the risks that is associated with artificial intelligence and what they need to know to make sure they protect themselves from the risks that comes with AI. Because whether we like it or not, we are going to have machine living around us. You understand? Already our cities are being surrounded by data centers, and I'm not sure that these data centers are being deployed with a mindset of sustainable environment. And that is the reason, every one of us needs to become knowledgeable, so that we can call the government to action to take stringent measures to regulate the development of AI technologies by AI manufacturers. I guess this is very important. Then we all have a role to ensure that AI live within the human in a more safely manner. Thank you so much for joining today's section of our AI book reading. Catch you later. We're going to continue our AI ethics teaching series, and today we'll be talking about hyperparameter. Talk to you guys soon. Do have a great time. Please like it, share it, create a clips of what you have learned, welcome stuff like that, and share the link in all your active social media platforms. Let us have a wider audience. Everyone is invited to be a part of it. It's free of charge. Thank you so much. Do have a great day.